Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Yang. Today I'm going to teach you how to change and design your own overlay. So everybody would love to have a cool, stylish, and special overlay in order to attract your audience attentions, right? So how do we actually design one and also import it to our media station? So today I'm going to teach you that. So first, please go to our AREC Google Drive as showing the QR code and the URL right here. And also I'll put this URL and QR code under the YouTube description below. So why is this URL and QR code for? So this URL and QR code will bring you to our AREC Google Drive. In our AREC Google Drive, we have night overlay template. It's free to download for you. So you can pick one overlay and change all the detail later for yourself and import it to our media station. Okay, so first, after you click the URL, which will provide, it will bring you to our AREC Google Drive, as shown you right here. As you can see, here's one file. It's called How to Make Overlay Easily. So we go into this PowerPoint. As you can see, here's the PowerPoint, which we put on the Google Drive. And also you can see we got a 9 overlay template right here. But you cannot do all the edit and design for now because they're under our AREC account, so you have to copy one for you. So how do we copy one for you, for yourself? So we click Open with Google Slides right here. And it will bring you to the Google Slides. And after this, we go to File, make a copy, and copy entire presentation. And here's all the option you can change. For example, name and folder. And for this time, I won't change anything. I just click OK. After click OK, you will make a copy for yourself, and you can start do the design and edit from here. So before we jump into design our own overlay and create my own overlay, here's some information that you need to keep in mind. First is your overlay has to be 1920 times 1080 pixels and 72 dpi, and it has to be saved as PNG file. And also our overlay do not support Guardian's color, translucent FX, and also animation FX. So you have to keep that in mind whenever you want to design or create an overlay by this kind of FX, you'll run into some troubles. And also we suggest to use font size not smaller than 24. And please use bold color. Okay, so let's start design our own overlay. So first, you could pick whatever overlay which you like the most. For example, this time I'll pick, for example, this. Okay, and I just changed the detail, delete it, and I put example. Daniel is awesome. Okay, so now I would like to use this overlay, and I changed the detail already. And also, there's the other thing, you can also put your company icon. For example, this time we just put an ABC. And in this slice, you can also put your company icon onto your overlay. Okay, so the detail is confirmed. So now we have to double check the background is not solid color, because if your background is solid color, you will block all the content which recorded by your camera and show all the overlay entire screen. So how do we double check that? So first you need to right click the background, and here's the change background. Go into it, here's the color. So you can see the background color now is white. So we need to change to transparent. Okay, after click transparent, click done. Okay, everything is set. So now we need to download it. So we go to File, Download, PNG image. Okay, so the overlay is downloaded. Okay, I usually drag the downloaded overlay onto my desktop just to make my life easier, because later we have to find the overlay and import it to our media station. Okay, so for now we are done on the Google Drive. So now we go to our media station administrator. So we'll log into it because we need to import the overlay we just designed. And we go to Video, Theme. As you can see, here's now all the overlay we currently have. For our media station, the maximum number of overlay we could have 5. So for now, we only have 3. And you can see here's the plus icon right here. So we click it to import the overlay we just designed. And choose the overlay. You just drag to the desktop and click Open. And the system will show you to double check the overlay to make sure everything's correct. And after you double check everything is correct, just go Apply. Okay, so now the overlay is imported. And let me show you how it looks like. So we go to our online directory. And right here, here's overlay setting. You can pick the overlay you just designed. As you can see on the source right now, here's the image will look like. Okay. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact our sales or FAE anytime. Thank you for listening.